Hello, let us take 3 minutes to relax your mind. Please find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Slowly breathe in through your nose and breathe out. You don't have to force a deep breath. Don't try to get rid of your thoughts. Focus only on your breath. Close your eyes and let your current emotions be as they are. In this moment, you are in a safe space. As you breathe in and out, imagine anxiety leaving your body. Release any remaining anxiety out of your body with your breath. You don't have to force it out. Simply feeling like you are letting it go is enough. Feel your mind gradually becoming more comfortable. As your breathing settles, your mind becomes calm. It is okay if your anxiety does not disappear completely. Feel yourself becoming a little more at ease in this very moment. Now, gently open your eyes. I hope your day carries on a little lighter.